Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Qubes OS on VMware Workstation. If you want a secure operating system for testing or learning, this guide is perfect. Let's dive in. You can download the Qubes OS ISO from the official Qubes website. Make sure to choose the latest stable release and verify the signature if you want to ensure it hasn't been tampered with. So, what is Qubes OS? It's a security focused operating system that isolates everything into separate virtual machines called cubes. This means if one cube gets compromised, the rest of your system stays safe. Perfect for privacy conscious users, security enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a safer environment to experiment. Before installing, make sure you have VMware Workstation installed, at least 6 gigabytes RAM, 16 gigabytes recommended, 50 gigabytes disk space, virtualization enabled in BIOS cubes. OS is resource heavy, so more RAM and CPU cores make it smoother in a VM. Click Create a new virtual machine. Choose Typical Recommended, select Installer Disk Image File, and browse to the Qubes OS image, then click Next. On version select Other Linux 64-bit. Name your VM and pick a location. Set the disk size to 50 gigabytes or more and store it as a single file for better performance. Click Customize Hardware and increase the memory to 6 gigabytes or more. You can add more CPU cores if you want. Go to Settings again and customize the hardware again. This is the most important part. Without enabling these features, Qubes OS will not boot up. Enabling virtualization and IOMMU is very important when installing Qubes OS. Start the virtual machine. When the VM boots, select Install Qubes OS. You can select the last option if you want the latest kernel installed. Choose your language, then continue to the installer interface. Select the installation destination, the virtual disk, and use automatic partitioning. You can encrypt the disk if you want, and this will require you to enter a passphrase. Next, create a user and set a password. Click Begin Installation. This takes about 15 to 30 minutes. When you reach this window, enter the passphrase you created to encrypt the disk if you enabled encryption. Just leave everything at the default if you want a detailed Qubes OS tutorial. Watch the video in the description. One change you can make for the template is either Debian or Fedora, depending which one you are used to. Now just enter your password. You'll boot into DOM0, the main administrative cube. Congrats! You now have Qubes OS running in VMware Workstation. And that's it. Qubes OS is now running safely in VMware Workstation. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe for more Linux and security tutorials, and leave a comment if you run into any issues. Stay secure and see you in the next video.